So if you ever thought, this looks good, I want to learn more about this digital business Sharlrita is talking about, but what do I actually get inside of this business, which we call Digital Profits U? This video is definitely for you, okay? Because I'm going to be showing you exactly what's inside, not just the hype, what tools you get, what systems are already done, what makes this different, and why I choose it for my soft life business. When I first stumbled upon Digital Profits U, I stumbled upon the creator. I was very skeptical. I didn't want another program with more videos, no results, none of those things. What I needed was clarity. I needed a product. I needed a plan, and I needed support. So in this video, I'm walking you through inside of DPU, so what we call it for short. I'm showing you how it's set up, how you get paid fast without any confusion or even the tech stress. So you ready? Let's go. Let me pull up my screen. What it looks like on the inside. When you make your investment of $599, you're going to get access to this here. Okay, this is the digital business. So you're going to see where it says DPU Community Hub. Then you're also going to see RM Digital Marketing Course. Okay, so you're going to get access to both of these. Okay, but first of all, let's go through the DPU Community Hub, because this is where you actually will need to start. Okay, so I'm going to click on here. And of course, you're going to have the welcome section. So this is where you're going to start welcoming you to the business. And please know, this entire community, along with that RM Digital Marketing course, is what you are reselling. Okay, and you'll see why I am an advocate of this and why it's so easy for women like us to get started making money online, because it comes with a product. Okay, so you'll go through the welcome parts of your business, making sure that you get, know what to expect. You want to get your domain name, just like I have mysoft.lifebiz.com. You're going to want to get your own domain name. We explain about resale rights, how you can, even growth of your mindset, because you got to work on the mindset, right? Also, we got the community, the members area. We have live office hours every single Tuesday, community updates, because we do have updates in this community. Okay. So first thing, once you get all of that done, which it should take you no more than an hour to do this part, then you're going to start setting up your sales system. Okay. So that you can resell this business. If you want to use system.io, that's what I use. If you go to mysoft.lifebiz.com, you will see that's how my system is set up. Okay. Now there are other options. I'm going to talk about that as well. Some people, find it easier to use the other options, but if you want to use system.io is what I use, you can do that. Okay. So you get all of these short, quick videos. You go through these step by step how to set your system up. This is what I mean, how you can have your system set up in a weekend. Okay, so you take the time out to sit down and get your system set up, you can get it set up in a weekend. Okay, so we included everything here for you. Is very, very much user friendly. Okay, so it's very much beginner friendly. So this is like you're new to this online space, you're new to selling something online, we give you the system to set up as well. Okay, so all of that is step by step. So you are going to need, once you invest your $599, I purchased my domain, maybe it was like $12. So you're going to want to have a domain, and you're definitely going to want to have a professional email, because system.io requires that you have a professional email. When I mean professional email, I mean like I have Sharlrita at Sharlritadeloatch.com. Okay, so you want to have a professional email. Okay, so once you get all of that set up, if you want to use a digital store, right? So some people use a digital store like Beacon, Stand Store, Pinsite. You do get those options as well, and all of that information is here. Okay, so you want something quick, but please know that even with your system.io account, you're going to need to pay monthly. Well, some people use the free option. They very well run their business with the free option. You can do that. Or their next plan is $17 a month. Okay, it's just the cost of doing business. Then you also have like Beacons, Stand Store. I believe Stand Store is $30 a month to start. Or if you want to upgrade, it's $99 a month. And then Beacons is you can do free if you want. But I think with the free option, it's not going to really work if you want to sell digital profits you because um, like some automation things you don't get access to. However, if you want to upgrade to Beacons, you can do $10 a month, or their highest plan is $30 a month. Also, Pinsite is an option. I know you don't see Pinsite here, but you can use the same directions with Pinsite like you do with Stand Store. Pinsite is free as well. You can start for free. With Pinsite, you get a whole lot more options to start for free. You know, a whole lot more things you can do to have the free option. But the reason why I encourage if you're going to use a store to upgrade because you get that option to allow people to pay in payments. So you get that option, and that's what Beacons, Stand Store, or even Pinlight. If you want to leverage Klarna or Afterpay like we do as well, you get that option. Like we listen as a soft life girly, use other people's money. Okay, you don't have to. I don't. People, a lot of people that purchase from me, they use those options because it's easy. They don't have to pay $599 up front. They can just, pay that, $47 to start. And that all depends on your relationship with those brands, with Klarna, Afterpay, if you used them before. Okay. So if you upgrade your stores, you do get those options when you upgrade, and you have to pay monthly. It's just the cost of doing business. So you figure out what system is going to work best for you. I like systeme.io. I do have Beacons as well as a backup. So I do have Beacons, and I have a whole nother strategy on why I use Beacons. So yeah, so if you want to have both, you can. I'm not stopping you from doing anything. Okay. So once you get your system set up, then this is where you need to go. Reseller Gold Mine. This is where you need to start posting your content, learning what platform you want to be on, what your daily methods is for the platform. Because here's the thing: when you're in business, there's a certain way you want to do business every day. Okay. Those of us that are making money online is because we do some of the same things every single day. That's how we stay consistent. Okay. That's how we're at the 1% or the 3% of people that are making money online, because we're committed to doing the same things every single day. Okay. Now we throw in some different strategies here and there, but when you make that commitment, I promise you, okay, I promise you, you're going to find that you're going to make a whole lot more money, and you're going to find this business so easy. That's why I say it gets to be easy, because the task that I do every day makes me money. Okay, brings in leads in my business and makes the income in so many different facets. Okay. So reseller gold mine is what you want to go into. So this is exclusively what everything looks like. Okay. Everything is so what's the word I'm looking for? It's so obtainable because everything is step by step. Even helping you with your job description. You do know in business you have a description. There are things that you should be doing every day. There are we even help you with your audience to make sure you have an audience, helping you with making your money as a reseller. I'm telling you, if you want to go this route, so if you want to go this route and you want to resell this business, this is the quickest way for you to be able to make money online. Okay. And then we have our DPU Momentum Mentor. This is where you need to go to next, because we have a bot that's going to tell you what to say in your content, what to post in your content, what you should be saying in your content, the hooks that you want to create for your videos. Again, there's a certain way to do business online, and you want to be able to do this in a way that's going to help you to make money. Okay. Also, my favorite is the community cash flow. Those of you that want to build community, I'm telling you, that's a great way for you to make money with a small audience. We show you how to do that as well. Another one of my favorites, okay, is the video storytelling framework, story selling framework. how you tell your stories in your videos to bring people into you, okay? To bring people into your business, to bring leads in your business. And here's something very, very new. And I'm talking about today new, okay? Whatever time you are, whatever day you're looking at this video, this is very new, okay? We have our mini courses that you can resell, income streams. And I pause when I say that because not only is this a benefit for those that join Digital Profits U, but we also give you strategy as well on our office hours on how you can monetize these courses. And these courses are good. Like I went through them myself. They are amazing. And you can take each and every one of these courses and sell them individually. You can create bundles. So we're giving you money making opportunities. Where they do that at? Where do they do that at? Okay. So if you have individuals that may not be ready to invest in Digital Profits U, you have other assets to resell. You know, I talk assets on this channel, and these assets are amazing. Let me give you a peek inside one of them because I want to do that for you. Okay. So you get, let's say this email marketing mini course, you get option to, you have the personal use so you can consume it. All right. So if I just wanted to, consume this course for myself, then I can consume it. Okay. That means I can go here and just learn it for myself. Right. So this is what this looks like. So it comes with the videos inside. All right. Now you can also resell. Okay. There's my face. So you can also resell as well. So you can take this whole template, which is hosted in Canva, just like I just showed you, right? It's hosted right here in Canva. You're going to get the same, and you can get this link and you can resell. Like I don't know how else to explain how, like, I'm excited about this because not only does it give me myself, I'm thinking about this in my own business, different ways that I can make additional streams of income, but I'm also helping more women. Like, you can't tell, this is soft life business. This is what it's all about. This is what it's all about. I don't know why my face disappears, but anyways, but you get those, okay? Passive income with AI. If you're like, you look, I want to learn how to make passive income with AI, this right here. Okay. If you're new to Chat GPT, this right here. Okay. We also have our replays for our office hours. Like I'm telling you, they have been master classes all by themselves. Okay. They have been master classes all by themselves. Okay. So yeah. I hope you are like picking up what I'm putting down. Like for real, for real. We are in an amazing opportunity to make money online. We give you a full digital product so you can resell this full community if you want. Or when you invest, you can decide, hey, you know what, I don't want to resell the whole community, but hey, I'm feeling these mini courses. Like, you can create some bundles with the mini courses, and if you have no idea how to create bundles, ask ChatGPT to help you to create bundles. Okay, so this is all what's inside. Let me also show you, let me go back and show you as well. Okay. That's what's on the inside. I told you earlier, you also get access to this where it says RM Digital Marketing Course. So you do get access to this digital marketing course. Now this goes into like full digital marketing things. I've been in here diving in here myself. With this course as well, this is something that I use this course right here as my continuing education, like on a weekly basis. I set aside an hour or so to like continuously learn, right? Because that's what you want to continuously always learning, because you want to be in that facet where you are just learning. You're learning as you go. So you have different modules here: understanding your niche, digital entrepreneurship, building a solid brand. You got tailoring a business to your vision, branding essentials. And here's the kicker: all of these videos right here, you get access to the downloads as well. So, like, you can take this whole module 8 and create a product. Like, this is what I want. The women that are feeling me, I want you to put some fire emojis in the comments, and you like, Sharlrita, I'm seeing this. Like, I'm seeing this. You might even get a headache. That's when I know I'm on to something. I'll be like, oh, it's a lot, but it's so good, you know. So you get all of these downloads as well. Okay. So if you already have a business, if you know that your current clients can make use of this digital marketing course, then you have it. Okay. So yeah, these are all the things: building the business with Instagram, building a business with YouTube. That's definitely what I learned how to do: YouTube. Building your business with blogging, because I blog too. Listen, I did product ready to market, create your own digital product or written digital product. If you want to create your own digital products, there's step-by-step instructions on how to do this. If you want to create your own video digital products, there's step-by-step instructions on how to do it. For those of you that are like, you don't want to resell, we teach you those things too. So yeah, it don't get no better. You've been watching from the sidelines and you are wondering if this is for you. I hope that this video gave you the clarity you need so that you can actually see what's included. You don't need to figure everything out on your own. You need a path. I'm giving you that path that works, and the support as well to walk you through it. So also, I didn't mention this, you get 30 days of mentorship with me as well via Voxer, because I want to help you to make your first online or your next online sale, because there's money out here. This is what I use to build my Soft Life business. So if you're curious, go to mysoftlightbiz.com. I put the link in the description. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I would love to answer your questions if anything sticks out to you. But I hope that this gives you a little bit more easiness, and it gives you a way where you're like, you know what, I can really do this, and I really believe in you, and I really want to help more women to do this the easy way. Okay, so again, I look forward to chatting with you. Go ahead and hype my video up. Go ahead and like it, subscribe, and you know my favorite, hit that notification bell so when I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Okay, so until next time, I want to see you inside Digital Profits U. I want to see you at our office hours, because honey, we are living in an amazing opportunity, and I don't know about you, but I'm getting to the money, honey. All right, bye, girl.